Richard Southern joins us now with the day's business headlines. And Richard, U.S. markets saw a major jump today, tied to some big numbers from their economy.
Happy Friday, Melissa.
Happy Friday.
It was. Yay, Friday. It was a fantastic Friday on the markets. In fact, it was the best day of the year for Wall Street. When the closing bell rang at the New York Stock Exchange, the Dow was up 700 points. Not too shabby. S&P higher as well. The TSX up more than 350 points. The totals there on the right-hand side of your screen. All the optimism was driven by really two factors. The U.S. Congress passed a deal to raise the U.S. debt ceiling, avoiding a default by the United States on its debt. And we had a very strong U.S. jobs report, 339,000 jobs created in May in the U.S., way better than expected, and a signal that maybe, just maybe, a recession is not close at hand, as many suspect it is. We saw gains, Melissa, for energy stocks, for financials, and for railways on Bay Street. And good news, no jump at the pumps expected tonight. Gas prices are holding steady.
All right, excellent news south of the border. Also excellent news here for one Canadian company. Lululemon stock soared today.
Yes, indeed. Lulu doing very well, according to its latest quarterly earnings that came in last night. Its profit up more than 50% year on year. And it also boosted its full year guidance. So it's thinking, hey, it's going to make a lot more money than it expected going forward. It is crediting a big uptick in sales in China and lower air freight costs. Revenue did increase for Lulu 17% here in North America, but internationally it was up 60%. So it seems like people around the world, Melissa, are really getting a taste for yoga pants. Lulu stock was up 11.3% today.
All right, now, after Thursday's issues, Air Canada passengers are still seeing delays today.
Yeah, not fun. Air Canada fixed its IT issues that caused like 500 delayed flights yesterday. But it says as it works to get back to normal, passengers could still expect delays today, maybe even tomorrow morning. So if you are booked on an Air Canada flight, you're definitely going to want to make sure you check ahead on that. Over 3/4 of Air Canada's total flights were delayed or canceled yesterday. The source of the disruption, the airline says, was a system used by the airline to communicate with aircraft and monitor their performance, which Air Canada says it's in the process of upgrading. The news didn't hurt Air Canada stock to any great degree. It was up yesterday and it gained a penny today.